Welcome to another of these hands show it all video. GE Smart Control 3-in-1 portable air conditioner, 7500. What sold us on this one was the Wi-Fi capabilities. This one gives us that flexibility, as well as it comes with a remote. So this is supposed to be a 3-in-1. Easy to install, LED display, 24-hour programmable. Also has some flexibility on getting a dual hose conversion kit. But I think what we're going to do is install it with a single hose and see how that works for us. So we'll start with just in the box. Next, you'll see all the accessories inside, and we'll get it installed and show you what it looks like after that. Okay, here's the portable air conditioner out of the box. There's a 3-prong connection. On the back of the air conditioner is 2 drains. There is a drain at the top, and then there's a drain at the bottom that drains into a lower pan that you would need to empty out once the machine tells you that it's full. So the accessories, those are the window mounts. There's 2 different styles. We'll need to determine which one works for our window. There's also the exhaust kit. And some foam that we'll need to place around the window mounting kits to help keep out some of the air, or keep out most of the air. Then there's some brackets and screws, and the remote, and of course the manual. Okay, I've sized the window mounting kit into the window. Now I apply the foam to the top and the sides to make sure we seal it so there's no air that's coming inside. Okay, where I applied the foam was down on the side, the bottom portion, and up top. I'm gonna go ahead and assemble the hose and power things up. Okay, here's the complete install. I've attached the hose to the mounting bracket. Got it plugged into the wall. So we'll just power it on here. Just a second for it to kick in. So that's it. We'll be trying it out for the coming weeks here, and I'll circle back around with my feedback on how well this portable AC cools off our master bedroom. All right, thanks.